নুমলীগড় শোধনাগাৰৰ সিংহভাগ অংশীদাৰিত্ব অইল ইণ্ডিয়াই ক্ৰয় কৰা সন্দৰ্ভত এই সংবাদমেল আমি দেখুৱাইছো আপোনালোকে সংবাদমেলৰ পুনপটীয়া সম্প্ৰচাৰ
On this day, share purchase agreement was signed between BPCL and the consortium of Oil India Limited and Engineers India Limited for sale of 43.05 crores shares in NRL to the consortium at a cost of rupees 9,376.96 crores. EIL paid rupees 700 crore for 3.21 crore shares, while OIL bought 39.8 crore shares for 8,675.96 crores of rupees. The remaining 2.29 crore equity shares held by BPCL have been purchased by Government of Assam for rupees 500 crore. With this transaction, BPCL has transferred its entire 61.65% holding in NRL to the consortium and Government of Assam. For oil, acquisition of majority share of NRL is not only a strategic business decision, but one of the defining moments of oil's corporate journey as an E&P company looking for vertical integration in the oil and gas value chain. The acquisition is likely to partially mitigate the effect of volatility of crude oil prices due to diversification of cash flows, reduce earnings volatility, and enhance shareholder value. At the same time, NRL also now has become part of an integrated energy company, and together oil and NRL can create a tremendous synergy that will help both the entities to consolidate their business plans and achieve sustainable growth and success in all their endeavors. In fact, our dream has been to create a mega company in this Northeast, and this may be a first step. We want to show that Northeast has got the biggest oil and sector company here, and we hope that the dream will definitely come true one day. Some of the major highlights of the acquisition of NRL post divestment by BPCL are: now shareholding is Oil India Limited 80.16%, Government of Assam 15.47%, Engineers India Limited 4.37%. Oil has become the promoter and the holding company of NRL with majority shareholding. As majority shareholder and holding company, Oil CMD has been designated as the chairman of NRL board of directors. Shares were sold by BPCL at a price of 217.75 rupees per share, which was offered by OIL and EIL. At this price, NRL is valued as rupees 16,018 crore. Government of Assam intends to increase its shareholding in NRL to 26%. To achieve this, Government of Assam is likely to purchase remaining shares from OIL in due course of time at the same valuation at which OIL has purchased from the BPCL. We have been talking about the synergy between oil and NRL post this acquisition. There are few points. We are releasing the press note, but I'll just highlight a few points here. Oil is the primary source of crude oil for NRL. Annually, oil supplies around 2,000 TMT of crude oil to Numaligarh refinery, which is about 65 to 70% of NRL's requirement. Further, the amount of crude oil supplied by oil is around 60% of indigenous crude produced by the company in Northeast. Both the companies can benefit from optimization, further improvement of feedstock supply, and crude processing at the refinery. Oil produces around 7 to 8 million metric standard cubic meter per day of natural gas in Northeast, out of which around 1 MMSCMD is supplied to NRL. Oil is also operating the Naharkatia Barauni crude oil pipeline as well as Numaligarh Siliguri product pipeline. So we had a lot of connection from the beginning itself. NRL is executing a cross-country crude pipeline of 1630 kilometer length, which will traverse through 5 states, Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar and Assam. Oil's expertise in execution and operation of pipelines can be shared in development of the same. NRL has already ventured into upstream oil exploration, partnering with Oil India as operator in 2 oil blocks, Namrup and West Mechaki. NRL has earmarked investment of around 90 crores for these 2 blocks.